A crypto wallet is a software platform where you can store your digital currency. You can store your coins in two types of wallets, a hot wallet and a cold wallet. A hot wallet is connected to the internet and it's easy to use, but it's also more vulnerable to hacks. A cold wallet is not connected to the internet, so it's safer, but it's also harder to use. The best crypto wallets for beginners are the ones that are easy to use and have a lot of features. Some of these features include security. The wallet should be able to encrypt keys and passwords, ensuring that the user's funds remain safe in the event of a hack. Ease of use. The wallet should be easy to set up and use without complicated instructions or confusing interfaces. Support for multiple coins. The wallet should support multiple cryptocurrencies so it can hold different types of coins and tokens. We've done our research and found out which are the best crypto wallets for beginners in 2022. MetaMask. MetaMask is a user-friendly, great interface, and it's convenient. Bear in mind that it is not a hot wallet, which means that your private keys are stored online. That's convenient because it means you can access your account anywhere. But it also means that your private keys are more vulnerable to being hacked. MetaMask is an Ethereum-based wallet. That means it can only be used to store Ethereum-based tokens. So if you want to store Bitcoin or other types of tokens, you'll need to use a different wallet. Also, MetaMask is a web-based wallet. If you're using a desktop application or an Ethereum-based application that doesn't use a web-based wallet, you'll need a different wallet as well. Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet is a hardware wallet that runs as an app on your phone, allowing traders to perform trades at any time of day, even while traveling. It's a non-custodial wallet that does not store or save any information about its users on its servers. Trust Wallet does not charge any fees to its users, and there are no subscription fees to use the wallet services. The app is available to download from Google Play or the App Store. The only fees levied on the app are the gas fees, which are fees for executing transactions. They also support over 160,000 assets and blockchains with cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many more. Overall, it's a simple interface and a wide range of supported assets, make it one of the most popular crypto wallets to date. Trust Wallet clearly outperforms other wallets with wallet staking functionalities that other wallets do not even offer. Trezor. Unlike some other wallets, Trezor is a hardware wallet, which means that your private keys are not stored online. This provides a higher level of security since hackers can't access your keys if they're not connected to the internet. In addition, Trezor is easy to use and has a user-friendly interface. Even if you're new to cryptocurrencies, you should be able to figure out how to use Trezor without too much trouble. One thing to keep in mind is that Trezor is a bit more expensive than some other wallets. However, it's worth the extra cost for the added security and peace of mind. Jaxx Liberty. Jaxx Liberty is a good choice for security. They are a multi-currency wallet that supports over 85 different cryptocurrencies. The user interface is easy to use and navigate. They also offer security features such as a two-factor authentication and a seed backup phase. In addition, Jaxx Liberty does not collect or store any personal information. They are also a multi-platform wallet, which means it can be used on multiple devices and supports a wide range of features such as built-in exchange, shade shift, and a portfolio tracker. Choosing the right crypto wallet for you can be a difficult task. There are so many different types of wallets with varying features and potential risks. You're typically looking for a wallet that has security, is easy to use, and you can trust the company behind it. It is so important for you to do your research on different wallets and find the right one depending on your needs and how you want to use it. And if you're looking for a cryptocurrency exchange, Merlin Exchange is a non-custodial service created for simple and fast cryptocurrency exchanges. Check us out at merlin.exchange for more information.